matter may kindly be adjourned for today, Lordship.
25, okay.
25. Oh, item number 15, Lordship. 15. 25, no? 15. 15. One.
Number 15. Prayer of learned counsel for petition and consent of the other side. Is the matter ignored.
Lordship.
Wait, please, your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 41, Lordship. It is an anticipatory bail application, Lordship. Case study was called for, Lordship.
Not received.
No interim is there, Lordship. Can you fix the short date, Lordship? It's from Nogao.
So you did not receive list again on date, short date.
Fix by.
Obliged.
Item 29, I would like to withdraw this. Item 29.
29 on the prayer of Mr.
H.R. Chaudhary.
H.R. Chaudhary. Matter is dismissed as withdrawn.
May it please the Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 30, my lord. Can this be taken up next week, my lord?
It is available
Yes,
in
ma'am.
item number 30, Lordship.
Next week, my lord. 30, yes, ma'am. Yes. 30,
Seventh,
30, my lord.
7th.
7, 8 if possible, my lord. 8.
All right.
And my lord, another pair with regard to item number 27, there TCR was called for, my lord. That has not been received as per the office.
27. TCR not received. Issue reminder list again on.
After 2 weeks, my lord. Deeply obliged. Deeply obliged.
My lord, I'd like to mention item number 44. On the consent, with the consent of the opposite party, I would like to take time for 2 weeks. It may be fixed. Yeah.
You appear for?
Item number 44.
42.
44.
4. Okay. On the prayer of learned counsel for the petitioner and with the consent of the respondent side, release the matter again on after 2 weeks of date at a DD.
19 May.
Yes, obliged. May it please your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 25, prayer for adjournment.
Item?
25. Lordship, any date may be given after 2 weeks.
All right, after 2 weeks.
Can copy knowledge.
Obliged.
May I please your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 17 on behalf of Mr. S.C. Vishwas. Lordship, may this matter be adjourned for the day as my senior is out of station and we have taken consent from the other side.
All right. 17. List again on.
May.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 36. On behalf of R. Bora, Lordship, he
It
has
is
some,
available.
yes, Lordship, he has some personal difficulty today, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly adjourn the matter for today only. Obliged.
May it please your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 24, my lord. My lord, on the last date, child court record with the CD was called for. My lord, it has not arrived, my lord, may issue a note, reminder, my lord.
This year as called for has not been received. Issue reminder list again on.
25.
Obliged.
25 May.
On the item number 1.
Well, the POSCO matter, I want to notice me go on.
All right.
Along with CD matters.
CDN notice to respondent number 2.
Deployed.
Date.
Date matter.
Item number 2.
Deployed.
One is
19 May.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, can you come to page 10, my lord? Who's the FIR, my lord? Lordship has it, my lord. But the accused number 1 and 2, they are not before your Lordship, my lord. So the petitioner has not been named as accused in the FIR, my lord. Now, if your Lordship will read the FIR, my lord,
With due respect, I beg to state that on 16/4/2026, a person named Raja, no, I am Raja, my lord, inquired as to whether I would sell my Alto K10 car bearing number so and so. After Raja gave me the number of the aforementioned accused persons, they called me immediately. Thereafter, when the accused persons at around 3:30 p.m. showed me duplicate Aadhaar card false documents, being suspicious, I was able to discern that all the documents were false upon checking their address along with their documents through online sources. This is for your necessary information. Therefore, I request you to take appropriate legal action in this matter. One of this Raja, who was the petitioner, my lord, he had only introduced these two persons who were the intended purchasers to the sellers, my lord. And now what the purchasers gave to the seller, my lord. In that case, my lord, Raja could not have any connection, my lord. No, the purchasers, the seller thinks that these are false documents, my lord. No money has exchanged and the vehicle has not been transferred. Raja has been arrested, my lord. The other two have already been arrested. Offences are, my lord, are punishable up to 7 years. Even if your lordship sees that forwarding report of Raja, my lord, that is at page 17, my lord. The lordship sees the grounds of arrest, my lord. These are offences punishable with imprisonment up to 7 years, my lord. So in terms of 35(1)(b), that satisfaction has to be arrived at by the IO. That is not there, my lord. No notice has been issued, my lord. Straight away been arrested, my lord. And the grounds of arrest are also generic, my lord. Same for everybody.
There must have been some implication in the CD.
No, at least that is not if my lord, for offences which are punishable up to 7 years. So, my lord, as of now, my lord, he has to record his satisfaction in terms of 35(1)(b) as to why this is a case where notice ought not to be issued and straight away arrest has to be done. That has to be recorded, my lord.
No,
Now,
recorded
that-
where?
In the forwarding report, my lord, at the time of forwarding him before the magistrate, my lord. The grounds of arrest are generic, my lord. The seller was cautious enough, my lord. That is why he checked and found that documents were false. The persons who gave the false documents, for them, I can understand, my lord, forgery is made out, my lord. This person inquired and found that a car is being sold, and then he introduced the two persons, my lord.
There is no particular wording or form in which it should be written.
My lord. But at least, my lord, those has to be there, the 1(b), my lord, requirements. Otherwise, this is a case where notice ought to have been issued, my lord. I would have cooperated, my lord. Lordship will see the grounds, these are generic, my lord. Nothing as to why arrest is necessary, my lord.
The recording of the reason need not necessarily be in the forwarding report. It can be elsewhere also.
But then
Otherwise,
that's
section
for
is
the
very
IO, for
specific.
that IO to record his satisfaction and for the magistrate to find his arrest to be
CD.
justified, my lord.
From the CD. You'll see from the CD.
It is prima facie also this offense. I leave it to your
Okay,
lordship.
let's
but
have a
pri-
short date
My lord,
next week,
my lord.
7th.
7th, my lord. Deeply opportune.
Where please, Lordship. My name is not mentioned in the FIR, Lordship. FIR was Lordship, under section, CID PS Lordship, under section Lordship 120B, 387, 420 IPC and read section 66D and 67D of IT Act, Lordship. My name is not mentioned in the FIR, Lordship. And Lordship, after FIR, Lordship, police has submitted inquiry report, Lordship. Annexure, two Lordship, page 7, Lordship. There also my name is not mentioned, Lordship. And co-accused Lordship already released on bail, Lordship. Also, Annexure 3 and 4, Lordship, orders, Lordship. Co-accused already released on bail, Lordship. Lordship,
Who is released on bail?
co-accused, Lordship. Page 18 and page 18, Annexure 3 and page 22, Annexure 4, Lordship.
No, why are you here? What is your involvement?
Like to submit, Lordship, because there is no such whisper during the involvement of
Why are you here?
petitioner, Lordship. And so far as.
How are you involved?
Yes. And so far as accused, co-accused is released on bail, she is the wife of the main accused, who is the FIR named accused, Lordship. So that is a different aspect, Lordship.
FIR named accused is whom? This Englishman or this Anil Sharma?
If the account number, it belongs to Lordship, Philip Champremari, and the co-accused to whom the bail has been granted, she is the wife of the main accused, Lordship, one of the main accused.
Where is the bail order? Anything is there? Bail order is there.
Lordship, how she is connected, where is the apprehension, that is, because Lordship, there is no such whisper regarding its her involvement in the fire, Lordship. At this stage, I am praying for the case study.
Yes, let's have the case diary first. Give a date for the CD.
Bless.
Authorized, Lordship.
My pleasure, Lordship. This anticipatory bail is in connection with Silchar PS case number 1255 under section 20, Lordship, 22C, 25 and 29 of the NDPS Act. The
CD.
FIR is at page number 9, Your Lordship.
Commercial quantity.
Commercial quantities.
CD.
Deeply applied.
May I please your lordship?
This is a petitioner before your lordship with a very specific limited protection, my lordship. The petitioner has served a notice under section 179 of BNSS for his attendance in the police station. But he has a reasonable apprehension that he may get arrested at the time of interrogation, my lord.
179, that means you're called as a witness only.
Yes, my lordship, but there is a name in the FIR similar to his name. Father name is not mentioned in the FIR, my lordship. And as per the petitioner is concerned, the same name person already been arrested by the police authorities. So I just pray before your lordship that I will appear there.
Because person of the same name has been arrested, you also
Yes, my
apprehend
lord.
arrest.
As per the petitioner is concerned, my lordship.
That is why you should not be apprehending, because the person by your name has already been arrested.
That is why I am asking for very limited.
Where is the
protection.
FIR?
FIR is page number 20 and 21.
Accused number 7, Lordship.
The same name is there, Bobidul Islam. My name is also Bobidul. But FIR is lost in 14/01/2026, my lord. 3 months ago, my lord.
Cryptocurrency conversion, Lordship.
As called as witness, my lordship, under section 179 BN, I will be there, my lord. I am a student, my lordship. I am studying in Royal University, Gauhati, my lord.
Yes. Column page 05.
Oh, Bobby, he is the kingpin.
Yes.
This.
The matter came yesterday, Lordship, I think.
No, today also, my lord, item 20 to 23 should be available. He is the mastermind, my lord, Bobidul Islam.
So let the matter be taken up.
All right, we'll take it up with 20.
Along with
21.
item number 20 to 23.
Item number 6.
Deeply obliged.
May it please your lordship, anticipatory bail application, your lordship. FR is on page number 10. Your lordship, love affair between a 16-year-old girl, 17-year-old girl and a 19-year-old boy, your lordship. The FR is lodged after 7 days from the date of the incident, your lordship. The girl came to the boy's place on her own volition, and after that, there was pressure of marriage and the FR was lodged, your lordship, as the boy's family refused to get them married as they were both very young. POSCO is there, your lordship.
Informant and city at this stage, Lord.
Yes. Notice to respondent number CD.
Lordship, a short date may be fixed, your lordship.
Hold on. Wait.
Lordship, deeply obliged, your lordship.
Supplementary 53.
It is your lordship. It's an anticipatory bail application, your lordship. The present petitioner has received a summon, your lordship, to appear before the DRI, your lordship. But he has received the summon very lately, your lordship. And similarly situated person has already granted bail from this honorable court, your lordship. At page number 12, your lordship.
Yes, what is the matter about?
Yes, your lordship. In the month of November 2025, your lordship, an amount of foreign cigarettes as well as some poppy seeds has been recovered, your lordship, from a truck. And due to which this person was summoned by the customs, your lordship. If your lordship will see the summon at page number 8, your lordship, where he was directed to produce some documents like personal, lordship, page number 8, your lordship, personal identity card to give evidence, bank account details, other relevant document, etc. Your lordship. So the present petitioner is ready to hand over all of those documents, your lordship. Now, lordship.
Yes.
Yes, at page number 12, your lordship. He is also a co-accused, your lordship. He got the interim bail on 8/1/2026, as well as his bail was absolute on 3/2/2026 by this honorable court, your lordship. So and another your lordship, at page number 9 also, your lordship, she has also received the interim from this honorable court. Therefore, my humble submission is that let this person be present before the DII, lordship, submit his statement, and till that day, your lordship, some protection may be given.
Your wife got bail saying that, oh, I am not living with him, I am living separately.
So statement, your lordship. This is not also a statement. I have also mentioned that statement in my petition also.
What statement?
That we are not living, we are separately living, your lordship.
We understand your wife living separately with you. So she is not involved because she is living separately. That means he is involved.
No. Your lordship,
You can't
nowhere-
extend both ways.
Your lordship, nowhere we have mentioned that, no, in the petition of the Josna Bose also, nowhere she has mentioned that my husband is involved in this. The only contention is that we are not, we are living separately.
Yes.
Prime accused. He is the main prime accused in this whole case. Not only in this case, there is a similar matter in which he has actually obtained a anticipatory bail because the co-accused have got the anticipatory bail from this honorable court. Now, another problem has actually arisen in terms of section 124 of the Customs Act. A show cause notice, which is akin to a charge sheet, has already been issued on 23/2026. Now, if suppose they want to seek any kind of bail, then they can approach the office of the Joint Commissioner of Customs, Shillong, wherein the proceeding is going on. Now, they have been issued summons and they have not appeared any time during the investigation process. Now the investigation is complete and we have submitted the show cause notice, the charge sheet basically.
No, but this show cause notice asks you to bring evidence.
Yes.
Ask her to bring evidence, huh? Oh,
Page 108, I'm sorry,
was earlier.
page 12, Your Lordship.
that was earlier.
That was earlier. So they did not comply with that summons. So we proceeded with all the details. I can produce that 160-page charge sheet, the show cause notice. Everything is in detail. So if Your Lordship gives me some time, so I'll produce it.
Heard learned counsel for the
Lordship,
petitioner. And also heard learned counsel representing DRI.
You are.
64 hours. It is submitted that the charge sheet is already filed.
On 23/2026.
Hence, DRI to produce the charge sheet along with other relevant material on the next date fixed. List again on.
Quick, Lordship.
your lordship, till that day, your lordship.
That show cause
that
notice
till-
has been filed before the additional Commissioner of Customs, Shillong. The Lordship may note that.
Your lordship may protect.
Commissioner of Customs, Shillong.
Note what?
Additional Commissioner of
From the,
Customs.
no, you have to produce it.
Yes, sir. The show cause notice has been submitted to the Additional Commissioner of Customs on 23/2026.
No, should we record it in the order?
Your lordship, commissioner has not power to, your lordship,
Should we record that it has been submitted there? It is stated that service has been submitted on so and so before the.
Additional Commissioner of Customs, Shillong. Now,
Yes.
Your Lordship,
proceedings will start before the additional commissioner customs. If they want, they can.
Your Lordship, Commissioner has not power to grant any bail, Your Lordship.
No, we are not concerned with that. We want to see the charge sheet because what you have shown after that much water has flown down the bridge. You have only shown a summons issued long back.
Your Lordship,
After
till
that
today
charge
we
sheet
have
has been
received
filed. So the situation is now different.
charge sheet also. So, Your Lordship, we are ready to cooperate. Some
I'll
protection may
produce
be given,
everything.
Your Lordship.
I'll produce,
Yes.
some date may fix next week, I'll produce.
Yes, fix the date next week.
Your Lordship, humbly we are submitting, Your Lordship. Some protection may be
Not
given.
13 May, Officer Duty.
Before.
Prior to 13 May, 11th May, Very good.
Your Lordship,
I'll leave this.
Your Lordship, kindly bear with me, Your Lordship. In another case, Your Lordship, he is already granted the bail from this honorable court. And the next date for his appearance is on 5th of May, Your Lordship.
No, why are you concerned with another case?
But if Your Lordship will not give me some protection, then how he will appear? He will immediately arrest it, Your Lordship.
No, there is no question of appearance now. That summons part is gone now.
But
Now
the
proceeding will start.
Power to pass any bail order, Your Lordship. How
We
you
are
will
not
then-
asking you to go there.
Some protection may be given, Your Lordship, till that filing of their reply, Your Lordship.
Don't worry, you have been away for so long, they will not arrest you within 1 week.
Administrative 7.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes, what is this, Mr. Guya?
My lord, here in this
Oh,
case.
sir, you are the petitioner. Yes, sir.
My lord, here in this case, my lord, the petitioner before your lordships are the daughter-in-law and granddaughter-in-law of the informant, my lord.
Hmm.
And my lord, we have challenged the quashing of the FIR as well as this charge sheet, my lord. In this particular case, my lord. Now, your lordship would kindly come to page 20.
Challenge the quashing means
My lord,
they have
the
been quashed.
quashing of the FIR and the charge sheet, my lord.
You have come for quashing.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Now, my lord would kindly come to page 27, the FIR, my lord.
Page?
Page 27, my lord, type copy, my lord. May I read, my lord?
27.
27, my lord.
That's 27A and B also. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
May I read, my lord? I have the honor to inform you, your kind self, that since after the death of my husband, late Bajrang Lal Bhatra, in the year 2016, my eldest son, Arvind Kumar Bhatra, and my grandson, Sri Narendra Bhatra, have been constantly torturing me both physically and mentally. Their whole intention is to drive me out from my husband's property, my lord. Since after the death of my husband, my youngest son, Anil Kumar Sharma, has been taking all attention and care of me. Today on 13/6/2019 at about 8 a.m. in the morning, I had sent my maid servant in the second floor rooms, wherein 3 rooms I have been using for dwelling and religious work, and I have various household properties, but my granddaughter-in-law did not open the gate. Thereafter, I went to open the main gate to enter into my rooms in the second floor. My elder son and his wife, Srimati Santosh Batra, came up and locked gate, and instantly when I objected them, and after a few seconds, I came down. Sri Arvind Batra manhandled me and called me in all objectionable words and slang utterings. Prior to today's incident also, Arvind Kumar Batra physically assaulted me and misbehaved with me. But instead of arguing with him, I reported the matter to the Borulimuk police station, but police illegally favored Sri Arvind Kumar Batra and said, without any proper evidence, I will not take any action. I am at present aged about 82 years, and due to the illegal and shameful act of the eldest son, Sri Arvind Kumar Bhatra and his family members, I have been suffering from both mentally and physically at the fake end of my life. And today I have been forcefully prevented and restrained to enter into my own dwelling room. Therefore, I pray for your intervention in the matter. So, my lord, thereafter, my lord, under section 294, 354, 34 IPC was, my lord, the case was registered, my lord. And my lord, these petitioners, my lord, the husband of the first petitioner and second petitioner were arrested on the very same day itself, my lord. Now your lordship would find the charge sheet, my lord, would find at page 30, my lord. Page 30 is this charge sheet, my lord. This was filed. Now I'll take your lordship to the other aspect of the matters, my lord. Charge sheet is the repetition of the FIR, my lord. Now I'll take your lordship to page number. Finding the truth.
You are in the charge sheet?
In the
Santosh.
charge sheet, I am, my lord, Santosh. I am, my lord, accused number 3 and 4, my lord. Santosh Sharma and Meenakshi Sharma, my lord.
Santosh Sharma and 4, okay. Yeah, 4, next session.
The daughter-in-laws of the informant, my lord. Now, my lord would kindly come to page 40, annexure 2, my lord. Page 40.
Yes.
Now, my lord, page 40, your lordship would find the title suit, my lord.
Yes.
This is title suit number 189 of 2017, prior to filing of this FIS, my lord. Now, your lordship would see directly, I'll take your lordship directly to page 49, my lord, of the title suit. Extremely sorry, my lord, page 46 and 47. Extremely sorry, my lord. Page 46, my lord. These are the prayer of the title suits, my lord. Declaration that plaintiff, being one of the legal heir of late Bajrang Lal Bhatra and one of the co-owner of the properties left by his father, is entitled to his portion of rent being paid by the principal defendant to the performer defendant number and performer defendant number. One has no right to collect the entire rent from the principal defendant. Permanent injunction, third paragraph, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, for distribution of the rent. My lord, the property involved in this case is a market and a residential complex, my lord. So, my lord, this initiates the proceedings, my lord, thereafter, my lord. Because immediately after the demise of my father-in-law, my lord, my mother-in-law and the youngest son of my brother-in-law, my lord, they started taking the rent and they did not distribute within the 2 brothers and 3 sisters, my lord. So, my lord, thereafter, my lord, this was filed, my lord. Then lordship would find at page 51, your lordship would find page, lordship, excuse me, page 49, my lord, the written statement, wherein, my lord, your lordship would find the informant's thumb impression also, my lord, on the very first page of page 49, my lord.
What is the present status of the case?
My lord, it is fixed for, my lord.
State.
State, my lord. Now, lordship
With
would,
that, don't think we can go for final disposal today. If everything is ready, fix a date for hearing.
my lord, my lord.
Short date may be given. Mr. Swenchel, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Dikpoya, learned senior counsel.
First of all, my lord, I express my gratitude to this honorable court to fulfill my dream of
Yes.
wearing this gown.
I
my
forgot
lord.
to
I'm deeply
congratulate you.
obliged for it. Thank you much. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Much deserving person, my lord.
I don't know that.
So when do you want?
Any short date?
Any date,
6th of May.
any date, any
Sixth
date
of-
convenient to your lordship.
Matter is ready, otherwise ready for hearing. List the matter on 6th of May.
Admission hearing. Admission hearing, for admission hearing.
Admission.
Admission
We'll check with
hearing.
lordship,
6th is a hearing
because
day or no?
we'll
My lord, it will come in the bottom of the list, my lord, 2019, 2026 now. Let it be on 7th.
6th is not a hearing day. Again, same problem will come. It can come on 7th.
Admission hearing.
All right.
oblige your lordship.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, kindly pass the matter for the time being.
For the?
For the time being.
My senior is lags in 22, my lord. So I'll.
Number 10.
Ma'am, this is the question of the FIR and the proceeding going on the DM Kamru. The FIR was filed in 2011. It is in page number. Page number 24A, annex.
20.
It is for the for forgery of the veg challan. There was many accused. I was one of the accused.
Now you're referring to page?
I am referring for Mukesh Agarwal, accused number.
No, you are referring to which page?
24A in Excel.
24A.
Yeah, 24 is the tag copy. May
Yes, now what happened?
But in the FIR, my name is not, it is not appearing in the FIR also. And in the charge sheet also, charge sheet which was filed by the investigation authority. That is.
And where are you here?
Pardon?
Charge sheet also it doesn't appear.
Charge sheet also only appearing he's accountant and has helped the main accused to do the fraud. Nothing else.
Are you a charge sheeted named accused or not?
Yeah, I was named.
Then
it is page in 61. Mukesh Agarwal. Number.
Just one moment.
He was
This
not
is of
working as
2011.
Yeah, 2011. And he was also not working as an accountant, just they had included my name only. I am independent tax practitioner.
How do we know?
For this case, I was also arrested in the said case. And the bail was granted to me. And it was surprising to know that during the bail order, the investigation does not inform the court that I was arrested. And no record of arrest of mine. I've been kept in the jail.
What is the status of the case now?
Charge framing is pending. For framing of the charge, it is fixed for the 11th of May.
There is no stay.
There is no stay. I paid for the stay last time, but
Yes, what is your ground?
there was no name in the FIR. There is no direct evidence or
Where is the charge sheet?
Charge sheet is in page number 57. Type copy is from 48.
So have you received summons from the court?
Yeah. I am appearing before the court. And this. Masterminds are some other persons. Only I don't know why I was implicated in that case.
There is nothing against you. That is something to be considered at the stage of charge hearing. Why should we interfere at this stage?
But same case has been, as another FI was filed also in Dibrugarh, and the case is going on there also.
What
For the
does that
same-
matter?
For the same cause of action. And I was also arrested without any ground. And the observation of the Honorable Learned Judicial Magistrate is 44, where it has mentioned that there is no record revealed that accused Mukesh Agarwal was arrested.
This is premature. It is not as if there is
And the charge
that
sheet.
you are not at all named anywhere. You're named in the FIR, you were arrested in the charge sheet,
In the
you were
charge
arrested.
sheet only for the
It is
accountant. I'm
stated
not-
there is evidence against you.
And 4 years have been passed, charge sheet has been submitted, but not charge framed yet. For 6 years.
For who? For what reason?
Some accused does not appear for some other reason.
So now it is at the stage of framing of charge. Everybody has appeared, isn't it?
Some are not appearing.
Then how has it been fixed for charge? Yes, counsel, you are for?
To informant.
Huh?
To informant.
Informant is who?
Yeah.
Tax.
Yes.
Inspector of taxes.
Inspector of taxes.
Inspector,
Yes, what is your submission?
Lordship, I will file my detailed reply. I'll
Huh?
file my affidavit on the exit.
You are waiting to say all this time.
And the amount involved in this, for which I was accused that I am the accountant of that person, only 77,000 rupees. That is Rubul Singh.
People have lost their jobs for much less.
And I
Sunday
was not an accountant there.
Date is fixed when? Next
Uh,
date?
Next date, maybe next week, Wednesday. My lord, stay may be granted for the proceedings is going on for the petitioner.
Proceeding is not going anywhere.
11th of May, they have to come every day from Dibrugarh to Gauhati. Every time.
It is,
May I prefer for the stay because it is a long distance for.
no, once stay is granted, the case goes to the back burner. No stay. Leave it on 14 May.
My lord, date may fix.
Yes, 14 May.
Thank.
Learned counsel appearing for respondent number 2. Praise for time to file an affidavit. Accordingly, release the matter again on 14th of May. Yes. Yes.
11, my lord, I am supposed to file affidavit, objection, my lord. But from my department, we have not yet received instruction, proper instruction, written instruction not yet received.
Right, it is submitted by Planet Central Government Council that instructions are not yet received. And 6, further time to submit his objection. And list the matter again on. So and so interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
3 weeks. 3 weeks. 19 May.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 12 and 13.
Yeah, please, Lordship, on the concept of others, sir, kindly fix this matter at 2 PM, my lord. 2 PM, we don't know, but we can pass it over for the time being simply.
Yes.
Obliged.
14.
May it please your lordship. The engaged learned senior counsel, Mr. Didas is on his legs, and I request your lordship, may I kindly request the pass over the matter for the time being.
It's 13.
14. my lordship.
14.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right.
16. 16. But they have not yet gone through the scan copy.
Here the matter, the issue is 17 lakhs 90,000 rupees was recovered from the possession of the petitioners. So an FIR was lodged saying that this was suspected to be stolen money and maybe the subject matter of gold smuggling. So at the stage of investigation, that was sufficient for initiating the investigation because we were not able to give account for the money. Now, parallelly, the income tax department also initiated a proceeding in respect of this money because we could not give any account of the money. Now, charge sheet has been submitted. Now, the only thing which because their charge sheet has been submitted under section 303, that is theft. So the only thing which this prosecution will have to perhaps assist this honorable court in saying, have they managed to find out who the owner of the money is? Because for the purpose of the investigation, it can go on. But trial cannot go on for an offense of theft unless and until the owner is found. Because the primary ingredient is that money has to be stolen from somebody without his consent. So perhaps, my lord, some time may be required also for them.
All right. Learned additional PP 6, further time to go through the PCR. Hence list the matter again on.
14th of May, my lord. Hearing. On deep level. It is side over.
Engineering BA, item number 18.
18. In this case, my lord, the case is the petitioner is on interim bail. My lord. He was granted interim bail after 62 days. The matter came up last time, your lordship may remember. Suspected pistol, my lord. It was something which resembled a pistol was found. So after 62 days, he was granted bail, but FSL was awaited, my lord.
Received.
In fact, my learned friend RJ Borua has gone through the city. So let me check also.
Whether the FSL is received or not, that's all. No, no. There is one that bail application I corrected yesterday's. That is on my table. It's ready, so for tomorrow judgment. And
Because it was lastly
sent you a dictation today.
1/2/2026.
The correction. You had that dictated part also and then give the file.
Lordship, on 1/2/2026, these exhibits were sent for FSL report. Perhaps that is not received also.
FSL report not received, list again on. So and so interim order passed earlier, continue till next.
MD
listing.
কেতিয়া দিলে দাদা?
Timing.
Can your lordship take it up on fourth, your lordship, fourth of May?
4th of May, none appears list again on 4th of May. TCR has been received.
Your lordship, my presence can be recorded.
Mr. So-and-so
D.
appears.
Bora, Senior Standing Counsel, DRA. Senior Standing Counsel, DRA.
Item number 20.
May I please your lordship. Lordship, co-accused has been allowed by the coordinate bench, lordship. Kindly this matter fixed before the coordinate bench, lordship. Honorable Justice Anjan Mani Kulkarni.
List the matter before the appropriate bench within brackets. AM Colita J. On give a date.
Even May.
Lordship,
7 May.
11.
May.
kindly you give a short date, lordship.
Short date, I don't think that bench will be available.
21.
Lordship, I'm on behalf of the informant, Your Honor.
TCR,
TCR, no, office to the
Lordship, we are yet to file our objection.
TCR not received. I think. There is nobody appearing for the petitioner on the last date also. Charge sheeted. Case is charge sheeted. TCR not yet received. We call for CD. Is it charge sheeted?
My lord, call for, sorry, my lord, CD not received. my lord. You are appearing, no?
I'm appearing from the council. My name is the council.
Okay.
Private asset.
Okay, response number 2, no?
One moment, my lord.
Not received.
CD not received.
None appears for the petitioner. CD also not received. Mr. So-and-so learned counsel has entered appearance for the respondent number 2. Place the matter on again on. In the meantime, objection may be filed on behalf of the respondent number 2.
Item number 22, 23.
Along with 5, my lord, item 5.
Where is everybody?
Twenty to 23.
Okay, I am appearing in item number 23, madam. I am 22, my lord.
Yes, and he is in 5. Okay.
5 to 25. No, 5. Only 5.
So we can take any one up.
My lordship, may kindly take up, my lord, item number 23, 23, my lord.
22 March. Well, here, my lord, lordship will kindly see my lord, the first page, my lord, the sections, my lord, which are incorporated, my lord. My lord, section 3184, 3162, my lord, all these sections are, my lord, 60 days period, my lord.
Hmm.
And before I, my lord, proceed, my lord, the petitioner number 1, my lord, Safikul Dewan, my lord, he has been granted, my lord, bail by default in the court below, my lord. So I'm not pressing for 1, my lord.
So Fikul granted bail.
By default, my lord.
Here are the 68 days.
70.
So now how many days
My
completed?
lord, today, my lord, I am behind the bar, my lord, 70 days, my lord. Now the
Which
FIR
offense is, any 90-day offense is there?
one section is there, my lord, that is 111(4), my lord, which says, my lord, organized crime, my lord. Now your lordship may kindly have a look at the FIR, my lord, at page 18, my lord. I am not an FIR named person, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord, the FIR page to double troubles. Well, page 15, my lord, 15, my lord.
Yes, page 15.
Page 15 is the FIR, my lord.
Yes. Yes, I think we have already read this during item 5.
Yes, yes. Now your lordship will see, my lord, my role in this case, my lord, the forwarding report, the operative part, your lordship will find at page 23, my lord, 23, my lord. Page 23, my lord. My lord, the grounds of arrest, my lord. During investigation, it was learned that Tajnur opened a Bank of India account number so and so and gave the passbook to Nazmul Haq. Haq then passed it to Nasir Ali of Kamlabari and Bobidul Islam alias so and so. So, my lord, I am, my lord, Nazmul Haq, my lord. Now, number 2, my lord, the accused knowingly participated in opening and operating corporate current bank accounts which were used for routing huge proceeds of crime amounting to approximately 5 crores per day, my lord. So I am a, my lord, that, my lord, what we call, my lord, CSP agent, my lord. I am a CSP agent, my lord. That certificate I have annexed, my lord. The last page, my lord, page 29.
CSP?
CSP, my lord, customer service point, my lord. In the village area, my lord, I had a computer, my lord, the certificate is given, my lord. Through me, my lord, the bank accounts are opened, my lord. My role is that, my lord. From my point, my lord, this bank account has been opened, my lord. So, my lord, considering the length of detention, my lord, and
That is 70. How many days?
Exactly 70 days, my lord. And assuming, my lord, but not admitting, I have participated in the crime, my lord. But I am not a, my lord. It is not a, my lord, organized crime, my lord. From my CSP point, my lord, this account has been opened, my lord. That is the role.
If so many persons are involved at different stages, how can you say it
Yes,
is
my
not
lord.
an organized
But
crime?
my role is that, my lord, from my CSP, the account has been opened, my lord.
And naturally, in an
That
organized
I
crime,
admit.
everybody will have different roles.
Yes, my lord. But so far, my lord, that is admitted fact, my lord, through my CSP.
Yes, what about the investigation?
My lord, yes, investigation is progress, my lord. Modus operandi of case is that, my lord. There is a group, my lord, of several people, my lord. Some maybe this type of CSP agent and all this, my lord. Some people convince, my lord, layman, my lord, to give their open bank account as current account. Current account, they don't have any business there, my lord, maybe it's cultivator and all this. Current account open and subsequently hand over all the bank details, OTP, everything to the agent. Now, In that bank account, my lord, from foreign, my lord, USTD, US dollar, the teller, my lord, it's a cryptocurrency deposited. Subsequently, some persons involved in, my lord, sophisticated person, they are involved in, my lord, using some software. They converted it to a Indian cryptocurrency, my lord, this Indian currency. Some person went to bank and through check, they withdrawn that amount, my lord, and then they have the role to, my lord, circulate cash among those persons, my lord. So, my lord, it's an organized crime. Yesterday, 2 matters are left, listed, my lord. Those petitioners are not there, my lord. Those persons were, my lord, they withdraw the money and distribute it. This person is the CSP owner, my lord. Now, from his statement, though the statement of the accused, my lord, his statement, he stated that I have opened that account and handed over to the, my lord, documents and all this to one Saiful Leban, then one Bobidul of Howli. For this, my lord, in that account, 47 lakh deposited, which was he opened.
But whose money is it?
Money, my lord, cyber fraud, they have, my lord, fraud, my lord, from maybe person from outside India, my lord, also. Some fraud, my lord, they are making, and money coming, my lord, lakhs
Who is
of
the
rupees.
victim here?
My lord,
Who is the victim?
Victim.
victim from here, my lord, it is not yet identified, my lord. But money comes, my lord, when the bank manager, bank official shows, my lord, that lakhs of money deposited in a, my lord, current account. Because they have not opened, my lord, saving account. It's a current account. But these people are laymen, my lord. And everything, my lord, even the mobile phone, bank passbook, all handed over to the agent. Therefore, they are running this account. And my lord,
So basically, they are utilizing the accounts of illiterate persons
Yes,
for conducting this kind of transactions.
for some amount, 10,000, 20,000 given as a rent. They are calling the rent for the account, my lord. And these are my lord, this person opened that account and he admittedly, from his statement, my lord, he got 30,000. This petitioner, Nazbul. He got 30,000. But in that account, 47 lakhs rupees deposited. Now, my lord, yes, one person, my lord, was, my lord, released on, my lord,
One
default
person,
bail.
my lord, the main accused, my lord, the Bobidul, my lord, he has been enlarged on bail, my
My
lord.
lord, because, my lord, more than 90 days, my lord. Here
In a
petitioner.
different case.
No, same case, same
But
case.
his AB is pending here.
No,
Item 5.
This petitioner is saying that, my lord,
Oh, that is
I am
another
the another person. I am coming to that, my lord.
One
There is
lakh
two Bobidul, my lord.
Oh.
So, my lord, regarding this petitioner, yes, 70 days, that is there. And he got 30,000. And regarding that person, I am
22.
coming to that person. my lord.
Regarding item 22,
Item 22, he is.
My lord, one submission, my lord, everything has been seized, my lord. Well, custodial interrogation at this stage will be required or not, my lord. Because the main accused, Bobidul, my lord, he has been enlarged on bail.
where is that order?
My lord, that order I could, he can provide it, but I think it will be in the diary, my lord.
Bobidul, just now I got.
Default
I
bill
came to-
patient.
Default bill patient.
Just now I come to know, my lord.
Yes, who is your client, Mr. Khatonier?
Yes,
He is Abdul.
my lord, I am in item number 22.
Yes.
He has, my lord, spent 91 days behind the bars, my lord. So I am claiming
Anyway, default bill.
default bill, yes.
80,
29 of arrestation.
29.
Hmm.
Twenty-nine, what, two?
My lord.
30th
Forwarding that, then also 90 days,
90
then also 90 days.
29
29-1, my lord.
forwarded.
Forwarded on 30th.
30th, my lord. Then also 90 days.
So he will become entitled not today, tomorrow.
My lord. Then let it come tomorrow. Otherwise, my lord,
Let's see what we can do.
my client, my lord, he was driver, not he is directly connected with the offense, my lord.
He was driver of the main accused.
What is his name?
Abdul Farooq Azad alias Pintu.
Where is your forwarding?
Forwarding, my lord, page 15. Page 15, relevant portion is 17, my lord, that is ground. Page 17.
You are saying he is driver, but
From the case, there he said that he collected the bank accounts and all this and handed over to the main accused Bobidul.
Bobidul, yes, he was the driver of Bobidul, my lord.
Driver, but he is doing mediator as a from the persons from the layman he is collected.
He is bound to go if his, my lord, employer, my lord, sent somewhere.
all right. And now let's come to this duplicate Bobidul.
Bobidul Malad, regarding this Malad, yes, he another Bobidul is there. Yes, but Malad, for regarding his Malad, I need the assistance of the Malad. I have to ask Malad because as far as city, he is from Howli. Main culprit is also from Howli. In the case, there is stated that another Bobidul from Thubri. Regarding this, he is the actual because his father's name is not available. The Dhubri person, his father's name is not available. Main Bobidul father's name is different and the house village is different. But there is two Bobidul. This is confirmed from the city. Whether he is that person, we have to confirm.
May I please, your lordship, for just 2 minutes, my lordship. Lordship, the section 179 PNS up to me. If I would have the accused that some other notice up to me, the section 179 police officer power to require attendance of witness, my lordship, would not have up to me. First, my lordship. Second thing is that may I just read the section, my lordship. Any police officer making an investigation under this chapter
No, we
may.
are not that. We are only on the identity now.
If notice is served, then where is the apprehension as a witness, my lord?
A witness, but that is why, my lordship, I am praying for an interim protection or no coercive action taken against me. I will be appear, my lordship. I will completely cooperate with the investigation. I'm ready to. I have no difficulty to appear there, my lordship, as because I'm falsely implicated here, my lord.
Custody warrant of main culprit Bobidul is there available. His house,
not me, my lord.
he
That is why sub 179
he is not there, but some other Bobidul also there from.
Otherwise, police officers have to be 35 under 3 colors, my lord. I would not have 179, my lord.
Only one Bobidul is named in the
Yes, in
FIR.
the FR, only one Bobidul.
Subsequently, from the statements, there are two Bobidul. One is from Howli, one is from Dhubri.
Both are involved.
Both are involved. Now, this petitioner, he is said that he is also from Howli. He's from his village is Hajipara. Origin Bobidul is Radhakosi. He is also from Borpeta Howli. Now, that another Bobidul name revealed in the statement of the witness, he is from Dhubri. But his father's name and all details are not available. So how can I ascertain? So I need the assistance of the IO. Whether he is the same person or not, or his custody is required or not. That instruction, because it is listed for motion today.
My lordship, I will be appeared. I have no difficulty to appear. No coercive action
Course,
taken
after
against
giving
my
permission,
lord.
you have
Because
no difficulty to appear.
There are many Bobidul in the.
You have no difficulty, go and appear. Why are you here?
Where is the appeal done? Bobidul, all should not be afraid, my lord.
The similar name is there in the FIR, my lordship. Father name is not
Learned
mentioned, my
counsel
lord.
for the petitioner and learned additional PP. Learned additional PP submits that in order to ascertain the identity of the petitioner, he is required to consult the IO, as there is another accused by the same name who has already been granted bail. Full stop. Hence, list the matter again on when.
But What that, my lord, 7,
7, my lordship, I have difficulties, my lordship. Can it be another date as this?
11?
Alright, 11.
Deeply obliged, my lordship.
Then item number 22.
Because, my lord, 4 or 5 persons yet to be arrested. Because of that, my lord, investigation is, charge sheet not yet submitted, my lord. It's a organized crime, my lord.
Still, they could have filed a charge sheet as against the present persons. Heard Mr. Counsel Learned Counsel for the petition, item 22. Under additional PP, this is an application under so and so. That may other Bobby,
Or that order, my lord,
that order is available.
I have to check, my lord, views.
Lawyer court of fiscal.
Oh, Gauhati.
Okay, it's you collect the information and hand it over, that order.
Default basis paisa tape. Order code paba.
Arrested on 27/1.
Why is it not in the CD? It should have been in the CD.
My lord, custody warrant I have found, my lord. He was arrested on, my lord, 27/1. 27/1, my lord. I don't know, my lord.
It is submitted that the main accused, Bobidul Islam,
27/1 only hoy jabe.
has already been granted bail. And the present petitioner has spent 90 days as of today in custody. And
Lord,
the charge
diary is
sheet-
not up to date because diary is not updated, my lord. Because of that, my lord, that information is not received, my lord.
Whether charge sheet has not been filed.
My lord, yes. He is. Enlarged on bail, my lord.
Custody and 90 days in custody, full stop. Learned additional PP submits that since the CD is not up to date, the information whether the charge sheet has been submitted is not available with him. Be that as it may, in view of the fact that the principal accused in the case has already been granted bail after spending time in custody. On the principle of parity, the present accused petitioner so and so is also entitled to be granted bail. Accordingly, it is directed that the petitioner so and so be released on bail of rupees 50,000 with 2 sureties of like amount to the satisfaction of the Learned Ilaka magistrate. It is further provided that the petitioner said continue to cooperate with the investigation and shall not try to influence the witnesses in any manner. Full stop. Petition stands disposed of accordingly. Baki 23 likhibo. Instead of 90 days, 70 days.
May I please?
This was
In this case, my lord, there is no cogent material which may lead to this arrest, my lord. Because on receipt of section 67 notice, my lord, I filed my reply through my engaged counsel. Thereafter, my lord, police did not satisfy, called me to appear before the PS. Accordingly, I appeared, my lord. And thereafter I was arrested.
And this year, my knowledge concern, my lord, it was perhaps sent not tagged, my lord. So maybe on tomorrow, my lord, that may fix with records or Monday, my lord. In fact, my lord, nothing against me.
Yesterday's note, no, Monday's note not received,
So, so my.
27th. Today is 29th.
Because.
All
Perhaps,
right, let's have it on Monday then. If you say it is there, you must have obtained some information.
on Monday, my lord.
The TCR not received list again on 4th of May. Registry to ascertain whether scan copy has been received by now.
28.
On Monday, my lord.
Yes.
Publish.
Item number 28.
CD not received.
None appears. CD not received list again on.
Please, only, my lord. BA 12, my lord. 12/5.
31. 31.
CD was called for lordships. Lordship, the step has been taken for the.
report not received, my lord.
Only on 24th. Steps have been taken only on 24th. 24/4/26. Hence, have it service on respondent number 2.
18 May.
It is after 10 days, man.
Huh?
It's after 10 days.
10 days. And 8. 10 days will be what? 8.
8.
8.
8 May. 8 May.
11.
Developers.
11 May. 54 supplementary.
Please, also matter, my lord. Lordship may appoint a amicus curiae, my lord, already service has been completed. Second, Dada.
The service report is pending, my lord.
Lordship may appoint
Better
a-
you take steps through
We have taken steps, my lord, already we have taken steps.
by what?
Registered postman.
Better take it through registry and concerned police station.
Whether they have taken steps directly to registered post or through registry.
Through registered post and through registry also.
Through
This is the
registry,
third time, second time, my lord. Lordship can appoint a amicus curiae and give a short date, my lord.
It does not mention anything about taking through registry.
It has been pending for a long time, my lord. Before charge sheet, Lordship, respondent has been appeared, my lord. On the earlier occasion, my lord.
I don't think you have taken through registry because otherwise registry's notice would have been here, copy would have been here.
You have taken through.
So let them take steps to registry, my lord.
Yes. Service on respondent number 2 is not yet complete as per office note. Petitioner may take steps through the registry for service of notice on the respondent number 2 through the concerned police station. List the matter again on,
My lord, can it be on 7th of May, my lord?
all right. 7th,
7th, my lord.
no,
We'll take steps today itself.
it has to come before this bench otherwise, all right, 7th.
Seventh.
Be before
God bless,
this
ma'am.
bench then.
55. 55.
Last order. My lord, in this case, my lord, lordship kindly look at the last order, my lord. The arrest memo was not there, my lord. So the scanned copies were called for, my lord. Salan hitling. Phone arrest, no? Phone arrest, no? In the instant case, my lord, he was shown arrest, my lord. That is at page 18, my lord. And my lord, no arrest memo has been served upon the petitioner.
Yes, anything available?
The second copy, my lord, I am not able to go through today, my lord. Let it come after some time, I'll go through.
At 2, whatever. At 2, my lord. Or 9, no? Or 9.
AB 32.
May I please your lordship? This is a substituted case, my lord. There, my lord, the FIR is case 9, my lord. The FIR was lost, my lord, against the name of the FIR, my lord, mentioned here. He is a juvenile, my lord. FIR is that, my lord, that on 12/10/2020, at about 10 AM, the aforesaid accused person kidnapped my minor daughter, namely Sonja, 16 years, adjacent road of our home, and captivated at his paternal uncle, that it will be maternal uncle, my lord. He is the present petitioner. So, 3 days and forcefully established physical relation with my daughter. That is by the affair name accused, my lord. After getting information from the secret source, we got our daughter back to home, rescuing her in presence of 3-4 prominent persons of the society. The case has been filed lately because the prominent person of the society tried to get the matter solved socially between the two parties, taking into consideration of the victim's future. But the fact is that the affair name accused and the daughter of the informant, mother, they have secretly developed the law affair. And I am
This
the
AB is
maternal
pending
uncle.
since 24.
My lord.
This AB is pending since 24,
Yes, my lord.
2 years.
Oh, my lord, last occasion, it was filed, my lord, and it was rejected. And again, my lord, it was filed.
No,
And
no,
the
this
earlier
case- This
council.
case is of 24.
Yes.
AB is
Yes.
pending for 2 years.
Yes, my lord.
Then, no, my lord, this is a sarcited case, my lord. In the sarcid, my lord, he has been seen absconder, my lord. Now, lordship may, if lordship may kindly come to page number 7, my lord. 7 of the bail application, my lord.
But NBWA issue.
No, lordship may kindly say, what is the prayer made, my lord? What is the prayer of this bail application, my lord? Page number 7, my lord. It is not to go on bail in the event of his arrest in connection with so and so, out of so and so, under section so and so, by setting aside the input NBW, my lord. Can in this anticipatory bail application, my lord, can my lord, the order of NBW can be set aside, my lord? This is not a criminal petition, my lord.
My lord,
Yes, he can file in for anticipatory bail, my lord, but that order he cannot set aside in this bail application.
well, the bail may be granted, my lord, because the fact is that the affair was lost after.
I am not on merit, my lord. There may be material, there may not be material, my lord. Since the affair says, my lord, the accused person is another person, my lord. But the question is that, my lord, whether the prayer made in this bail application, whether that can be entertained or not, my lord.
After my lord search sheet and trial is going on, my lord, due to his absence, NBW has been issued, my lord. At that stage, if my lord, anticipatory bail file, my lord, so NBW, my lord, maybe mentioned here this, my lord. So I am praying, my lord, the prayers will be granted. He will appear, my lord, and
Is
he will
not
face the
married, what
trial.
is there?
My lord?
Some other accused is there, some other person is committed.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, my lord, FIR, my lord.
His juvenile, his trial is going on in juvenile court.
If
And I am
lordship-
the maternal uncle, and in the FIR, my lord, did not disclose my name. After 20 days,
lord,
FIR was lost of the incident, my lord. And subsequently, when her statement was recorded after 20 days, my lord, then she stated about the allegation of the present petitioner that he committed rape. Very unfortunate case. He is, my lord.
Originally, this juvenile is Asraful.
Yes, my lord.
He kidnapped the girl, my lord, and he took the girl, my lord, to his maternal uncle, my lord, that is the present petitioner, my lord. He kept her in his house for around, my lord, 3 days.
3 days. And my lord, when the girl came, my lord, voluntarily, I informed the family member and they have come and village people settled the matter and taken away. And what happened, my lord? They tried to force the solemnize the marriage with the, my lord, FNM accused. But I have told that since both are minor, marriage cannot be solemnized. Now they are, my lord, angry, and subsequently afterthought, that incident, my lord, they are showing that happened with him also, my lord. Very unfortunate case. If originally it happened, my lord, then 20 days after of the incident, affair was lost, a single line is not mentioned about me, my lord. And at the time of just statement, when I recorded under section 164, she was taught by some person, my lord. Then so that he will get the punishment, because due to his interference, marriage cannot solemnize, my lord. But minor marriage, my lord, never can be solemnized, my lord. So my humble submission, my lord, next date is 15/5/2026. My lord, I will appear, my lord. Kindly may consider, I will face the trial, my lord. Because since subsidy is submitted, my lord, I am not on merit, my lord. Now only a opportunity may be provided me so that I can appear and I will face the trial, my lord. Already, sir, it is going to delay, my lord, due to my absence in trial proceeding, my lord.
Lordship may kindly peruse, my lord, the order dated 19/9/2022, my lord, that is on page number 15. In fact, my lord, this is, my lord, page number 15, my lord, annexure 3. In fact, my lord, this is a good case for, my lord, setting aside the NPWA, my lord. But, my lord, by learned friend, my lord, he has not done so and he has preferred this anticipatory bail application.
My lord, the earlier advocate,
Because,
the
my lord,
different
they-
advocate, my lord, I am sorry, my lord, I cannot say this, but even then, lately I have engaged in this case because one of my
question
friends
is,
has
my lord,
filed
what
a case.
about the prayer he has made, my lord, whether that can be allowed or
The
not? my lord?
court can, my lord, court can do, my lord.
No, regarding, my lord, setting
My
aside
lord,
NPWA, my lord.
in
this is
many,
not-
my lord, succeeded cases, my lord, so we have filed this away, my lord, the honorable court consider, my lord. So only my humble submission, my lord, he is interested to participate in the proceeding, my lord. And honorable court may consider his bail prayer, my lord, he will appear there, my lord. Otherwise, unnecessary, it is going to delay, my lord. 2 years is bail petition is pending, my lord.
You are Bilal.
Yes, ma'am.
She says in her statement, Bilal মোৰ লগত বেয়া কাম কৰে।
Yes, my lord. But affair was
Bilal,
lost
my
on
lord,
1/11/2020.
From the FIR, my lord, the accused person, my lord, he eloped with the
different-
girl, my lord, and he took his, my lord, victim girl to his maternal uncle, that is the present petitioner, Bilal, my lord, and kept her in his house for 3 days, my lord.
But affair was lost after 20 days of the alleged incident. And village meeting also held. Never disclosed such type of incident, my lord. Because he is a aged person, my lord. Very unfortunate. I am submitting, my lord, honestly, my lord, that only for his interference, my lord, marriage cannot solemnize the child marriage, my lord. Because the parents of the girl and relative of the girl is very much interested to solemnize the marriage. They try to secretly solemnize the marriage. But the present petitioner said that no. While they will get majority, they can solemnize the marriage, not at present. And that is the dispute. Therefore, after 20 days, the affair was lost and statement also, my lord, recorded another some more days also, my lord. So this long period, my lord, why not disclose if the incident happened, my lord? There is a believable version, my lord.
Okay, we'll see because you created problems by making
My lord,
this kind of prayers.
my lord, I am interested to,
For my lord, challenge the order, my lord.
my lord,
Whereby my lord, the NBW was issued in the
What
very
was
first.
that order dated, you have said, page?
My lord, that is my lord, page number, my lord.
order
15, my lord, annexure 3, my lord.
15.
19/9/2022 order.
and my lord, next date is 15/5, my lord. For appearance, my lord. Next date is 15/5/2026, my lord. My lord, I will participate in the proceeding, my lord. Kindly may consider, my lord. Because at present, my lord, custodial litigation is not necessary, my lord. Anyway, I will face the trial, my lord, under any terms condition. my lord.
Order itself appears to be not in order. Okay, let us see, we'll pass some.
I am obliged to it.
In this case, lordship, the circuit was submitted, lordship, already petitioner has appeared before the land trial court, lordship, so. First, lordship.
Actually submitted.
In view of the, my lord, interim bail, lordship, someone was issued, lordship, he appeared before the land court below, lordship.
That information we do not have, my lord, whether. circuit
I have
submitted or
been, I have been, lordship.
not. Submission may be recorded, man.
Yes, lordship.
CD not received.
There is no decision, my lord.
He received summons from the court and appeared.
Lordship.
Page 19, okay, paragraph order dated 31/7/22, paragraph 1,
That is some of.
2, 3. An earlier bail application being AB 1208 of 2025 was rejected on behalf of the present petitioner was rejected by order dated 31/7/2025. Subsequently, in the present bail application by order dated 13/11/2025, interim protection was granted to the petitioner on account of subsequent developments in the form of conversations which had taken place between the accused and the informant after rejection of the bail prayer of the petitioner as above. Para, the CD as called for has not been received. However, full stop, however, it has been submitted on behalf of the petitioner that pursuant to summons received from the court, the petitioner has appeared before the court. Para, keeping the entirety of the matter in view, as well as the documents annexed to the instant petition, comma, the prayer for pre-arrest bail is allowed. The order of interim pre-arrest bail dated 13/11/2025 is hereby made absolute. So it is further provided that order dated 13/11/25 or conditions there আছে two or second or third to read it. Stands allowed. 34.
All right, Lordship.
May it please your lordship. My lord, the petitioner was granted interim bail way back in November 2025. And since then, my lord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, today is the 7th day. Even in the last occasion, the case diary was not there. My lord, there was a marpit between few boys, my lord. And my petitioner, my lord, his vehicle was there. And so he was implicated. My lord, your lordship has already granted bail. The to case the- ended in Sarset, my lord.
Huh?
Case ended has been in Sarset, my lord. So, my lord, the lordship may dispose of the matter, my lord, since he's already on interim, my lord.
Our learned counsel for the petitioner and learned additional PP, it is submitted that the case has resulted in charge sheet. White CS number
746/2025, dated 31/12/2025.
The petitioner has been on interim bail since
18/11.
2025.
In fact, your lordship
And
granted.
having regard to the nature of the allegations, comma, at this stage, taking the petitioner into custody may not be necessary. Accordingly, the prayer for pre-arrest bail is allowed. The order of interim pre-arrest bail dated 18/11/25 is hereby made absolute.
I'm deeply obliged, my lord.
It is further provided that the petitioner shall regularly appear before the learned court below on learned court
I'm
be-
deeply-
regularly appear before the and participate in the trial if one commences.
I'm deeply obliged.
35.
35, my lord, up to the CD was called for, my lord, that is not received.
Up to date CD not received. List again on so and so interim order passed earlier to continue.
18/5.
May pre-election for CD was called for lordship. The petitioner name is not in the FIR lordship, the FIR page lordship, ten lordship.
What is the name of the petitioner? Rinki Ahmed. Rinku.
Ringo lordship. Only
Yes.
lordship, the one vehicle is seized, in the name of his father lordship. The said vehicle was released lordship.
Don't start from the middle of nowhere. Say what is the case about.
FIR page ten lordship, the NDPS case.
On source information, police apprehended two persons, and they are the FIR named persons, and the contraband has been recovered from the rented house where the FIR named petitioners, accused persons has concealed those contrabands and later on found to be suspected heroin of commercial quantity, Lordship. And thereafter, Lordship, these two main accused has implicated the present petitioners, Lordship, during investigation.
Lordship, the says contraband was recovered from the rented house, the two accused, Lordship, in the
Lordship.
Dhirenpara Manpara.
This rented house, where from this recovery was made, who is the owner of that house? Or under whose control is that house?
Lordship, during interrogation, the accused persons admitted that the NDPS was supplied by the present petitioner along with the other accused person.
But no recovery was made from his premises or person, is it?
From the rented house of
Who?
the actual owner's name is not here, Lordship.
Anyway, whoever is in control of the house, any indication is there who?
The rented house of those two accused persons who were named in the FIR.
So it was under their control then.
And this after during interrogation, the main main accused person says implicated the present petitioner along with the other accused person.
What is the line? Read that line. What did he say?
The line, Lordship. During further interrogation, the accused persons admitted that the NDPS contraband was provided to them by two persons of Borpeta, and they can show the house of the two accused, namely Sahib Khan and Rinku Ahmed. Also, they stated that they used to procure the NDPS counseling in a secret chamber of a Bolero pickup vehicle having registered number so-and-so. That vehicle belongs to the father of the accused person, Lordship.
Which accused?
The present accused person. And that has been seized by the police from the premises of the present petitioner, Lordship.
But the said,
And Lordship, in the meantime, Lordship, police has made requisition for the CDR call, Lordship. That report is awaited. So the complicity can be revealed from the CDR call, Lordship, how they are connected.
the said contraband was recovered from the rented house, not the Bolero pickup, Lordship. The Bolero
Was
pickup,
used during, Lordship, in transportation and concealment for the purpose of concealment and transportation. That vehicle was used, that has been revealed from the statement of the main accused, Lordship.
and the said vehicle was hired by the Shahrukh Ahmed, Lordship, on a monthly basis, Lordship,
No, no.
from his mother, petitioner's
Is in the
mother.
name of the present petitioner's father, Lordship. That has recovered from the premises of the present petitioner, Lordship. Police seized the vehicle.
Vehicle says from the house, Lordship, in the Barbados district, Lordship.
I'm submitting, Lordship.
But the contraband was not recovered and the
It's an NDPS Act, Lordship, and the search sheet has been already filed. Supplementary search sheet has been filed in respect of the FIR named accused person, Lordship. And since the police could not found the present petitioners, they're still at large, untraceable during the investigation. So that is why supplementary search sheet has been filed in case of the other accused persons, Lordship. It's a commercial quantity, Lordship. It's organized crime. And CDR call is still awaited, Lordship. That report is still awaiting.
Lordship to call for the CDR.
At this stage, I'm vehemently objecting,
The
Lordship,
Lordship
with an
to
NDPS
call for
Act.
the CDR, Lordship, and up to date case, there, Lordship.
All right, heard learned counsel for the petitioner, learned additional PP submits that although charge sheet has been submitted,
Supplementary search,
supplementary charge sheet
respect of the two accused persons.
has
Other
been
than-
submitted. The CDR records are not available in the CD, so received. Hence, for the updated CD, including the CDR reports, list again of
Lordship, on longer data than
20,
20 May, oblige, Lordship.
Diploma.
38,
Please, your lordship, the matter may be taken up after some time. Senior is in lax, lordship.
CD received.
Madam.
39.
Wait, please, your lordship, I am appearing on behalf of my senior Mr. Amar Khandokar. He is in other court, kindly matter pass over for the day.
For that day. Yes, Lordship.
My lord, this
We will
matter,
learn
my
it
lord,
counsel for the petition.
CD not received, my lord.
Scan copy, I think.
But-
Scan copy is here.
Yes, my lord, 39 is can go.
Pair of learned counsel for the petitioner lists the matter again on. Expected.
8-5. Number 40.
May I plead your lordship, I appear on behalf of Anjaman. Kindly matter, pass over the matter. My senior counsel father has been hospitalized today. Therefore, she could not able attend.
CD received. All right. On the prayer of learned counsel for the petitioner lists the matter again on so and so CD. Be retained till the next date.
18-5. 18-5.
18
42.
Perhaps CD is not there, man.
It did not receive, list again on so and so interim. Continue.
There's no interim.
Huh?
No interim.
All right. Because on all the earlier orders, it says interim order passed earlier to continue. Must have, but there is no interim order.
Madam, there is no interim.
Interim to cut it.
Late level.
8-5.
Right.
43.
May it please your lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Amar Khandelwal. Your lordship, in CD, what is
My lord, in this matter, my lord.
interim was there, lordship.
They did not receive list again on so and so interim order passed earlier to continue till the next. Day.
13-5.
Obvious.
Operative 45.
No?
45.
May I please your lordship, as per the last order, the learned counsel representing DRI has joined as the public prosecutor in another jurisdiction. So they took some time for appointing another learned counsel for DRI.
This is appealed by DRI.
Yes, your lordship.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Learned counsel appearing for DRI seeks further time to make arrangements to engage new counsel to represent the DRI. Accordingly, list the matter again on.
14B. Item number 46.
It's an appeal by CBI lordship. They are not there. This is a IA for condonation of delay. Appeal against acquittal. Earlier occasion also they were not there. It's not filed the leave application.
Name is shown. I think.
Yes, now there is a change, lordship. Mr. Dev Chaudhary is not there, but SCCBI is written. Doesn't SCCBI appear?
Somebody has been appearing for CBI, I think.
Miss M. Kumari is now
Yes.
appearing.
Yes.
SCCBI is there. Track it.
I think one of her matters is passed over for time being. It can. None appears for CBI. It appears that the name of Mr. R.K. D. Chaudhary has been shown as standing counsel CBI, and it is informed that he is no longer representing CBI. Hence, list the matter again showing the name of the learned counsel representing CBI. List again on.
Obliged.
47.
Lordship, I have instruction to withdraw this case.
You are Mr.
H. Buragu, my lordship.
On behalf of
G. Fukon.
Mr. H. Buraguhai, appearing on behalf of Mr. G. Fukon, submits that he has instructions to withdraw the present application. Accordingly, the petition stands dismissed on withdrawal.
Obliged.
48.
Both the IA and the bail application, yes. Same order, huh? Dutas.
48.
May please.
Yes.
Lordship, here in this case, notices were issued, my lord, appeal is admitted. This is an appeal against equitable, and I acted there. So service is awaited with regard to the opposite party, respondents.
But learned counsel for the petitioner, PCR, has been received. Notice to the respondent not yet returned. Await service. List again on.
Hello. Tip top.
Supplementary 56. Fifty-six.
Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, I have a read for amalgamation of three affairs, Lordship. And one of that affair has been, Lordship, charge sheet has been filed and PRC case has been registered. So, Lordship, now my prayer would be, Lordship, amalgamation of the other cases with that case where charge sheet has been filed. And I will, Lordship, bring that charge sheet, Lordship, so some time may be given, Lordship.
On the prayer made by learned counsel for the petitioner. List the matter.
But
Again.
on 28/5/2026, if possible, Lordship, on that, Lordship.
All right.
My senior will be available, Lordship. 28/5. Obliged, Lordship.
Timing will.
Time being at image.
May it please the lordship, in this case, the petition has been filed for quashing of the PRC case number 1384 of 2023, my lord. Here in this case, my lord, the petitioner and the opposite party number 2 were love in draft relationship for a long period of time, and there is a consensual relationship, and which later on culminated into marriage, my lord. Now they are husband and wife, my lord. Your lordship may kindly see the FIR, my lord, at page 16, my lord. And
Translated portion 17 Miller. Most specifically, I beg to state that 3 years back from today, I had a love relationship with the accused number 1. During the period of love relationship, the accused on the pretext of marriage and also by threatening committing sexual intercourse on multiple occasions against my consent. On 8/7/2022 at about 6 p.m., the accused number 1 gave a ring to my mobile phone and asked me to go to his house. Accordingly, I went to his house at about 10 p.m. The other accused person assaulted me physically and used slang language when they had seen me in the house of the accused number 1 and forcibly took me to the house of the village headman, Haji Abu Taleb Mia. Regarding the aforesaid incident, a village meeting was on 2022. Although the accused persons are not agreeing for the same at present, the accused persons sent to the accused number 1 to other place. FI was filed on 15/7/2022, married on 21/7/2022, Miller. And charge sheet is filed in the charge sheet. It was reflected, page 24, Miller. She refused before doctor for medically examined her. And now some dispute arose and the opposite party number 2 filed a DV case, Miller. And DV case, annex page 30, Miller, annex 5. In paragraph number 2, it was admitted that the aggrieved person was married to the respondent number 1 on 21/7/2022 as per Muhammadan law and shared by executing marriage Kabin Nama. So in this regard, my lord, I am relying on Honorable Supreme Court judgment, Miller.
Yes, amicus.
Well, it seems the allegation was a false promise of marriage. That was on 15/7. As per the victim herself, my lord, she files a DV case where she says that she has already married him. That your lordship will find at page 31, first line. Page 31, my lord, first
Let's
line.
dispose of this.
My lord, he is already married.
Order dated 21/5/2024. Para 1, para. Para 1 date koribo also heard Mr. Nawaz learned amicus representing the informant. Para 2. Hard issue notice to na lage. Good. Paragraph 3, page 4. It order pura ako tick mark kori hari kita dige pencil mark paragraph. In the case of Ajit Singh versus State of Uttar Pradesh and others, 2024 Live Law SC 18, the Honorable Apex Court was seized of a similar matter. Wherein it was found that the allegation that the physical relationship was maintained due to false promise of marriage was without basis as their relationship led to solemnization of marriage. And therefore, the allegations made in the FIR were such that on the basis of such statements, no prudent person can ever reach a conclusion that there is sufficient ground for proceeding against the accused. Full stop. The present case, in view of the above facts, admitted facts also stand on the same footing, and therefore the present, this is against FIR or
This is against cognizance was taken, my lord.
present FIR as well as the subsequent criminal proceedings deserve to be quashed. Full stop. Accordingly, the FIR in PS case number so and so, as well as the proceedings in
ERC case number
384 of 23.
versus Fakirgan's PS case number 125 of 2022. Again, PRC case number 1384 of 2023, pending before the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate in Dhubri are hereby quashed. Petition stands dismissed accordingly.
Deeply obliged.
Yes. Table of pleasure. Table of the division.
Number 9, timing.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, Mr. P. K. Chaudhary is still in license 22, my lord.
All right, next.
My lord, any day, my lord, after 10, my lord, please.
After 10.
Yes, ma'am.
On the prayer of learned counsel for the petitioner is the matter again on. Interim order passed earlier to continue. State.
I'm deeply offense.
What about 12 also same counsel?
We have 13.
Lordship, I'm sorry for interrupting, Lordship. I'm for item number 45, Lordship. My name may be recorded as private respondent, Lordship.
Item 45. You are?
They appearing on behalf of SC Vishwas.
Hold it. 45 for whom anybody?
Mobilized, Lordship.
Yes, 12, 13.
Same, my lord.
11th.
13 I am appearing, there are interim orders. In 13 I am appearing.
In both the cases, interim order, Lordship, and for the wife.
So let's same order as
Interim
Lordship is short date may be
9.
given.
Just give a date.
I to sign it. Pass over.
Two couriers.
Interim to continue. Dutate.
Date.
Lordship is giving a date.
5.
5.
25.
15.
15 5.
11/5. Can it be on Monday, 11/5?
15
Obliged.
Interim shall continue.
Interim.
That is not 14.
May it please the lordship. Lordship, my senior engaged learned counsel is still on his legs, my lordship. My lordship, may kindly pass out the matter for the timing.
No, we can't keep passing over for the time being. List again on that data. All right,
6, 5. 38.
तो 19 असेल लगे 19 नाही.
Very good. In this case, there was called for, my lord. It has come, my lord. The FIR, your lordship will find at page 13, my lord. Krishna was a local businessman, my lord. He was having a fast food joint at Panagri Sariali, my lord. The district of Tinsukia, my lord. And that project manager of a company, my lord, he lost that complaint on behalf of Abul Ahmed, Mohammedin Ali, and Jamnur Ali. He says that these persons, above named persons, were working under Provincial Bill Tech Private Limited. We personally deployed the government project to improvement and upgradation of Digboy Panagri, Bordusuma Road, my lord. On 2026, after completion of their work for the day, while coming to our camp, they were suddenly attacked by Panagri Sariali, by Biplav Naik, that is petitioner, and few others. That persons physically assaulted them and provoked, and without any provocation. During the incident, they were also threatened with death to kill and murder as stated by the victim. The attackers abused them in the name of religion, and despite the fact the victims are workers engaged in lawful government project and peacefully returning from the job. The above deliberation intention victims so far any dispute and cause them physical injuries, mental breach of peace, as well as so. Now the case has been registered under section 1152, 196, 126, 351, 3 and 35 of the BNSS. Of all the offences are bailable except 196, my lord. That is 196 says, my lord, that is regarding a promotion of enmity between different groups of grounds of religion, place of birth, residence, so and so, who either by spoken or written or visible representation or commits any act which prejudicial to maintain harmony. So now question is that in the FIR doesn't say actually what are the words spoken, my lord. This has caused disruption of within the two communities, my lord. So my submission is that the ingredient of section 196 is missing in this case, my lord. There should be prejudicial to maintenance of harmony between two groups and organizing movement of drill any activity, use criminal force, violence which will train to use criminal force between two groups, racial discrimination, likely to cause alarm, feeling of insecurity among the members of religious, racial, language, regional group or caste or community. Man. It's a single incident took place when this petitioner was also assaulted, my lord, on that day, my lord. And there was as a result, this incident took place, my lord.
Yes, PP.
In this regard, my lord was pleased to, my lord, grant interim on 9/3/2026 with a direction to appear before the, my lord, that is the investigating officer. And my lord, on 19, my lord, they appeared, my lord, that was found, my lord, and as part, my lord, that is the note, my lord, statement is recorded. And another part, my lord, this investigation is going on, my lord. This part of the investigation.
Order dated 9/3/2026. Para 1, 2, 3, 4. Para it is learned additional PP submits that pursuant to interim protection granted by this court, the petitioner has appeared before the IO and his statement has been recorded. Para having regard to the above as well as the nature of the allegations, the prayer for pre-arrest bail is allowed. The order of interim pre-arrest bail dated 09/03/2026 is hereby made absolute. It is further provided that the petitioner shall not try to intimidate or influence the witnesses or tamper with the evidence connected with this case. Petition stands allowed accordingly. Send back the CD.
Motherfucker.
55.
So there is an order, my lord. Order dated 8/4/2026, my lord. That may be produced, my lord. Pursuant to that order, my lord, report has received, my lord. It has been marked as flag.
8/4/26 order, yes.
8/4/2026.
After that,
It was confirmed, my lord. It's flag A, my lord, of the.
flag A of
Main record. Not the scheme to be main record, my lord.
so.
Person was shown arrest, my lord. But their, my lord, their allegation is that, my lord, the arrestment was not served upon the accused person. That is their contention.
Today. So even if it is shown arrest, the arrest memo is required.
Required. I faced the trial, lordship, that today is 107 days behind the bar.
Heard learned counsel for the petitioner. Learned additional P. This is an application under so and so. Paragraph 3 of the bail application. The main contention on behalf of the petitioners is that he was shown arrested in connection with the present case on
5 January, 5th January.
5th January 2026. But at the time of showing him as arrested herein, no arrest memo has been furnished to the petitioner. A report was sought for in this regard, and the learned SDGM M Disney District Chirang by communication dated 22nd April 26 has informed the registry of this court that no arrest memo could be found in the case records of PRC 18 of 2026 within bracket Disney PS 132/2025. Full stop. The further submission is that keeping in view the long detention of the petitioner of how many days?
The 107 days.
107 days, the prayer for bail may be considered. Whereas in view of the settled law in this regard, and in view of section 62 of the BNSS, the failure to serve the arrest memo, which is presumed in this case as none could be found on the record, is a ground to release the petitioner on bail. Accordingly, having regard to the same as well as the period of detention, prayer for bail is allowed. It is so and so shall be released on bail of rupees 50,000 with 2 securities of like amount to the satisfaction of the learned Ilakam magistrate.
My lord, from the date of shown notice, my lord, today is 115 days, my lord, 115.
115 days. Is further provided that the petitioner shall not hamper the investigation or tamper with the evidence or try to influence the witnesses in any manner. Petition stands disposed of accordingly.
Diploma.
Lordship, with the consent of the other parties, we would like to seek adjournment for 2 weeks, Lordship. We are about to file an affidavit, Lordship.
This is an appeal against acquittal, my lord. And yesterday, respondent's advocate made a phone call to me that he has some difficulties. So he's going to take adjournment.
Read. Our learned counsel for the appellant. On the prayer of learned counsel for the respondent seeking time to file an affidavit, release the matter again. 2 weeks or piece of date due, hearing date or due. 91 days. Number 50, 51, 52.
My lord, in this case, there are 3 matters, my lord. As regard, my lord, framing of charge in a PMLA case, my lord. I am for the item number 52. And he is for 50.
And I am for the respondent in 51. I was the one who got this.
My lord, that ED has filed, my lord, case that he's 2, I think. Two accused person, they should not be discharged. So ED has filed 1, my lord, criminal review.
Against discharge, and the rest they have come against framing of charge. Charges were framed against item number 51 and 52. 50 and 52. But ED is not here.
Today, my lord, I am told that my lord, counsel of ED is not available, my lord. Listen, please. ED counsel live.
ED. No standing counsel is there.
My lord, I was told, I am not sure, my lord. I have heard it. Huh? What question? ED.
Yes.
Learned counsel for the petitioners, however.
25
And learned counsel for the private respondents. To edit the Total 51 or the private respondents. Total petitioner. However, none appears for the enforcement directorate. Hence, list the matter again on so and so. They're all panel counsels or standing counsel, ED. Only
Retainer counsel.
retainer counsel.
My lord, maybe somehow
Showing
they left
the name of retainer counsel of ED.
earlier. I got it.
Interim orders wherever passed, continue till the next date of listing.
My lord, in item 50, interim order is there.
The website wherever available.
My lord, I am so obliged. The lordship is fixed on which date?
Yes, give a date. Hearing date would be.
Sometimes. Yes, sir, assistant.
19 May.
Sometimes after that, my lord, in the last week of May. Or first week. Or June first week.
2nd June.
2nd June. I am obliged, Lordship.
Obliged.
Deeply obliged.
Second.
আসে নাকি আরো? হ্যাঁ? কি করিয়েছেন? Item?
Item number 14 is still, senior counsel is on legs. Can we fix the matter on 6th?
All right. Sixth,
6th.
place the matter again on sixth as learned senior counsel is on legs in another court.
I'll